Assalamu alaikum and hello to everyone. For last couple of days, I was busy moving my workspace from bedroom to den area. This room has more space and I'll be adding a lot of new gadgets to this room, making it work, movie, game room. Coming to today's vlog. It is a tech review of wireless charging pad. This is my first wireless charging pad. There are some things that I like about it and some compromises. Let's start the review. The products. When I saw this item on sale for $6, I couldn't resist and bought it right away. It came with a rubberized charging pad and a micro USB cable. Setup was simple. It has DC 5 volt input and output is 5 watt. When connected to power, the light on the sides glow red. Charging. To charge a phone, just put it on the pad and it will start charging. The charging light turns blue from red. The phone doesn't need to be perfectly aligned and placed at the center. It works 7 out of 10. You can charge the phone with one hand. Just put the phone on the charging pad and it starts charging. While with the lightning cable, you need both hands. One to hold the phone and other to insert the cable in the port. This applies when removing the phone from charging. With pad, it is just grab and go. But with charging cable, again, you need both hands to remove the phone from the cable. Using phone while charging. One disadvantage with the charging pad is that you cannot hold it in your hand while it is charging. Charging via cable, you can hold it on your hand while it is charging. Cable clutter. They advertise it like this. Enjoy the freedom of charging your mobile phone without the messy cables. But there is one cable that goes to the charging pad. Whether it is lightning cable or charging pad cable, a cable is there. So I don't agree with that statement. Charge time. I drained my phone battery completely and charged with lightning cable first to 100%, then again drained it to 0% and charged it with wireless pad. With lightning cable, it took 3 hours and 13 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%, and using wireless pad, it took 5 hours and 14 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. It took 2 extra hours to charge with wireless pad. That is about 35% slow charging comparing with lightning cable. And at the end, my opinion. Although the charge time is 35% slower than the lightning cable and I cannot hold and work on phone while it is on charging pad, I still prefer it because of the convenience factor. Put the phone on the pad to charge and just grab and go. I hope you like this vlog. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do so. This encourages me to keep making videos. Take care of yourself.